Want to earn money online using AI, even if you never show your face? Let AI do the heavy lifting. Here's how to do it step by step. 1. Use AI tools for visuals and scripts. 2. Pick a trending topic in your niche. 3. Post videos consistently to grow your reach. 4. Optimize your titles and tags to boost discoverability. Keep doing this. You'll see real results. Want proof this works? I'm building this faceless channel right now, using the same AI tools. No fancy gear, no face, just strategy. Want results faster? Grab your free AI toolkit. Links in the description.
You create, AI executes. Stories built by AI, felt by humans.
Like what you see? Smash that like, hit subscribe, and follow for the next drop. If you're serious about making faceless content like this, stick around. I'll walk you through it in the next video.